Hello to everyone of us. How are you? How are you nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people? Nationwide, worldwide, to all the company, to all the employer and workers of the YouTube channel, YouTube company. Hello YouTube, how are you? How's your everything? This one is for the staff na naman of Celine, his mother. She buy this one. Nag-iingay na. Yes. Aroy ko yung cellphone ni madam. So, ayan yung yesterday. Yesterday ba yun? Ayan. Meron naman siya mga staff. Panibago na naman mga staff. Collection yan ni Celine. All that one is collection of Celine. She has all collection. She has stuff also. Once again, I say thank you to all viewers of mine. Thank you to all supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you to all the subscriber of my channel. Thank you in my small channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much that you subscribe me. You visit me. You visit to my channel. Thank you very much talaga. And some of them also that you are not, you're just watching. And I wish, kung sabagay, it's open-minded and open from heart, that you are the one to subscribe, share, likes, and comments to all videos, to my late upload videos and to my present videos and all videos that what I have. Okay, so thank you very much talaga. So look what she has. This one is pajama. And thank you also to some blogger from the beginning that you are helping, or that I'm starting connect with them. That I'm watching if they have a live, they make live, so I'm watching, so they subscribe me and I subscribe also with them until I'm just until now, and you know who you are, the some bloggers of that you have your own YouTube channel. It's long time ago that one, and just now only I make it active to do it again. And thank you talaga. Thank you that you reply. You make subscribe to me back. I make subscribe to them, and you subscribe me back also in my channel. Thank you and thank you very much that you are always supporting of my some videos that what I have. Thank you again. Because you have a lot na to mention. I cannot remember. I can't really. I'm just always remember some of them that they are always active, and always that I connect, and I'm helping with them from their supporters, and to support also to me. Okay, so thank you very much talaga. That you have, I'm saying that you have an open-minded, open heart, that you are the one to subscribe my Simply channel, to my small videos, that what I have, and that one is all original. There is no filter, there is no, except only the conversation. I make delete some because of course it's for the conversation of my mga employer or my friends, mga friends of my employer, like that one, or the family, that it's not for the including now my videos if I'm download. Okay, so thank you very much talaga about that one, that you are always supporting, and I wish, thank you. It's already more than 800. I'm planning that one to make a video that I have 800 subscriber already, more than, I think more, it's more than already na. And but my my cell phone is it's not really my cell phone, it's the cell phone of the work. So maybe it's old already and crowded or full already. I make it delete some of the focus or the photos, so I didn't get it na. So I'm just make it mention to you that thank you to all subscriber, thank you to all viewers that I have, and how much viewers in my every one of my videos that I download in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much talaga, and the one that you support, that you are still with them. You are still with them in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much talaga. How many ilang hours na ba yun that we have no connection of the Wi-Fi? Hello, how are you? Okay.
Where is my phone, Mama?
Yeah. That one, look, siya. Bye, ikaw talaga. Kindly close. And that's all. So, always about my families, that is including now by nationwide and worldwide na. Okay, shout out to all of you. Shout out, and including na also that one in my employer here, the family both side of my Madam Ansel, so that is including na, and the families of Angkan to Angkan in my hometown, and that is including na also in the nationwide and worldwide. Shout out that every may hindi, not all in my videos that I make it mention. Sometimes that I make only short, so directly na lang what I make or what I do in my video, that's I'm using only my cell phone. Okay, so thank you again, thank you very much. And what time is it? It's already lunch time na. Okay, so I make download this one when we can have a Wi-Fi already. At least that I have, diba? Okay, so once again, I'm very appreciated, and I'm very happy that you are giving me a consideration, that you allowed to my some videos, to my old videos that I'm download to my Simply, and my beginning of my YouTube channel. So thank you very much talaga, YouTube and YouTube company, with your staff, and for the founder of the YouTube. Thank you again, and thank you very much talaga. And of course, all of us, not only with them, that's what I'm telling, nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, people in this world, and that you are bringing me to gain, to reach my small YouTube channel of mine. Okay, so thank you very much, and shout out to all of us, and God will be the one to provide everything, the one that you are doing, you are helping to me, and God will be giving you, and God knows that what you are doing for me, and that you are still supporting, or some of them also, some of the bloggers that you already have a channel that you will support also. Thank you very much, and I wish that you can have a more blessings, or your individual plans with your family, with all members in every families that we have here in this world. Okay, so once again, thank you. Thank you, thank you. God bless us all. And bye. Keep safe lagi. Keep safe. Ano na nga ba ang hitsura ko ngayon? Dito na lang tayo sa camera. Sa salamin. Ayan yung ano namin. Magsalamin na lang ako ng ano. Thank you. Tingnan mo naman yung buhok ko. Aray, ginawa ko. Yala, bye-bye. Keep safe at all. God bless us all. Dito tayo mag-pay attention before tayo mag-bye-bye. Okay, something as usual here. That's what I have here in the house. In the room of Celine, okay? Yala, bye.